the pontoon stuff riser kit, which came with all the bolts and everything. So we're going to see how that works out. Put all new bolts in. Alright, quick review. Pretty much the whole outside rail system is back on. I do have the very centerpiece back by the motor that I haven't put on yet, because that piece I'm going to have to go ahead and scrape and paint and get white. That was the piece that had burned. But I did want to show you how this looked with the pontoon stuff lift kit on it. It came out fantastic. I'm really happy with the way this is going to work. These nice little plastic pieces that lift it up about 3/8 of an inch. That means when I wash this boat and clean this boat, everything is going to wash off the sides. If you have a boat where your rails are flush right down on your deck, you know how the water can pile up and the leaves can pile up and the dirt can pile up, and you can't ever seem to get it off of the boat. Most of your more modern boats come this way, I believe, on the pontoon boats. I haven't looked at a new one in a while, but certainly an older one doesn't. It was a relatively easy thing to do since I had the whole deck stripped down anyway. But I think it's going to make a big difference when it comes to cleaning this boat. So I'm happy between the vinyl and getting this kit on here. I'm going to have a much better boat to keep clean, and should be great. So I'm happy with the way the vinyl came out. I'm happy with the way the lift kit came out. The only downside to the lift kit is they sell you 32 risers and bolts, and this boat, as it turns out, has space for 33, so I'm one short. I'll see if I can buy one from them. I don't know if I can just buy one. I hope I can. If not, I'll have to make something.